Super Systems, a company dedicated to providing advanced solutions for the heat treatment industry. Founded in 2011 as a joint venture with Super Systems Inc. and based in Cincinnati, Ohio, Super Systems Mexico has been at the forefront of delivering, maintaining, and integrating high-quality equipment, software, and hardware for the heat treatment industry. Since our inception, we have achieved significant milestones, including ISO IEC 117025 certification and opening new operations in Querétaro. Our dedication to excellence is reflected in our continuous improvement and expansion of services. We pride ourselves on providing personalized attention to our clients, offering measurement, calibration, and test services both on-site and in our laboratory. With a focus on quality and precision, we ensure that every project meets the highest standards. At Super Systems, we are committed to innovation and excellence in the heat treatment industry.